Today, we're going to use our dream planning worksheet to set up our projects in ScratchJr. First, I need to open the ScratchJr app by going to the Launcher button and finding the Scratch Cat. I'm going to click on the Home button, and now I'm going to create a new project by clicking on the blue plus sign. Next, it's time to create my pages and add the backgrounds and characters that will be in the story. First, I'm going to create the 3 pages that I will need for my story by going over to the blue plus sign and making sure that I have 3 pages total. Now, I'm going to go back to my first page, and I'm going to delete the Scratch Cat since I'm not using him in my story. I'm going to click on him and hold him until the red X appears, and then click on it. Now it's time to create the bedroom scene for when I go to sleep. First, I'm going to go up to my backgrounds, and I'm going to find the bedroom background. I'm going to click on the check mark to add it. Next, it's time for me to add the character that's going to be going to sleep. I'm going to click on the blue plus sign. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on the character I want and click on the check mark. Next, I'm going to make my dream page. I'm going to click on page number 2, delete the Scratch Cat. Now I'm going to add the background that I chose on my planning paper. So I'm going to click on the backgrounds button, and I'm going to click on the moon, and I'm going to click the check mark. Next, it's time for me to add the characters that you'll see in my dream. The first one is going to be me as an astronaut. So I'm going to click on the blue plus sign on my character side. I'm going to scroll down and find the astronaut. Then, before they add them to my scene, I actually want to put my face as the face in the middle of the astronaut. So I'm going to go up to the Paint Editor tool. I'm going to select the camera, and then I'm going to click on the blank space where the face is. I'm going to get really close to my camera so that my face fills the space. I'm going to smile, and then I'm going to click the camera button down at the bottom. Now it's time to click the check mark and add them to the scene. I met a little friend, so I'm going to add them to my scene. Drag them to the side, and my dream is finished. Now it's time to make the bedroom scene for when I wake up. I'm going to get rid of the Scratch Cat again. Go to my backgrounds, select my bedroom, click on the check mark. Then I'm going to add my character back in that represents me. And in my story, the character that I meet in my dream follows me back to my bedroom, so I'm going to make sure that I add them. Now it's time to turn in my work. I'm going to take a screenshot of all 3 of my pages and upload them to the Wixie assignment. So I'm going to click Control Windows. Then I'm going to go to page 2. I'm going to click Control Windows again. And then I'm going to go to page 1, and I'm going to click Control Windows again. Now it's time to go up to the top, click on the X, go to our Chrome circle. Now I'm going to scroll down and click Wixie. And then you'll see your project that says Setting Up Dream Project. Now it's time to add our 3 pictures to our Wixie project. I'm going to go up to Image. I'm going to click My Files. I'm going to click where it says Recent. And then I can see pictures of my pages. So this was page 3, so I'm going to drag it down on page 3, make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to do it again. Image, My Files, make sure I click Recent. Then I'm going to find my dream page. That was page 2, so I'm going to click and drag. Okay, last one, image, my files, go to recent, and click on the last picture. It doesn't matter what order you upload them, but just make sure you drag it to the right box. This was my page 1. Now I can go up to the X and I'm finished for today.